Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. 1973 Caboose here with an update. Now, back a while ago, I picked up some trains in Richmond. It was actually trains. It was the one of the later Chattanooga Choo Choo sets. This engine was beat to a bloody pulp. There was no front end cow catcher, but I was able to put one on and tried to restore the engine. I have one other just like it that's in mint condition. This is like two of them, and that thing's moving pretty damn good with the amount of cars behind it. It's not the original cars, but close enough, and not bad for a later so-called Tyco train set. Actually, I'm going to probably keep it that way to the replacement to the other Chattanooga Choo Choo that I had that was garbage. The old Tyco one with the pancake motor drive inside the tender with the smoke. This one, the two that I have don't smoke, but the Bachman version does. And that's my review on a rebuilt of a Chattanooga Choo Choo of a later Tyco, but it's a Makaido or Ikaida or whatever the hell they call it. And when I got this engine, smokestack was all busted to hell, and the front pilot was gone. And now this is what it looks like. Better than it was. The smokestack ain't original, and I had to put it upside down from a junk Tyco train set. So that's my review. Everybody have a safe and wonderful day. Peace out.